Right. So, good evening, everyone. I, Neha Kapoor from School of Engineering and Sciences, welcome you all to this launch event. GD Goenka University, with a pioneering legacy of 26 years in education, is all set to have the academic collaboration with the Redbird Academy Aviation to launch the aviation programs. We have with us the president of the university, Professor Dr. Suku Bhaskaran, Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Tabraiz Ahmed, Associate Dean, School of Engineering and Sciences, Professor Dr. Usha Batra, Assistant Dean, School of Management, Dr. Sunil Arora, and Vice President Training from Redbird Flight Training Academy, Captain Abhilasha Singh. Welcome everyone to this session. And I'd like to inform the audience that if you have any queries regarding these programs, you can post in the comments and we'll take your queries at the end of the session. Now, I'd like to invite the President, GD Goenka University, Professor Dr. Suku Bhaskaran, to please enlighten us on the launch of these new programs. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Abhila. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank the Redbird Academy team. We started this journey with Rohan Sharma, the Redbird's Director of Marketing, and then we expanded the relationship with very intense engagements through Captain Abhilasha Singh, the Vice President for Training, and with support from Captain Karan Man, the President, and Captain Shakti Singh, the CEO. So this was the team that we engaged with intensely. At our end, the Vice Chancellor, Professor Tabraiz Ahmed, Professor Usha Batra, the Dean of the School of Engineering and Science, Professor Sunil Arora, the Dean of the School of Management, worked in tandem with others such as Professor Rohit Dutt, the Dean of Academics, and Dr. Dhirendra Parihar, the Registrar, to formalize the strategic alliance. So we now have got an alliance, and we are launching two programs, BBA Aviation with pilot license and BSc in Aviation Management with commercial pilot license. So we are launching two important programs today. Okay. Now the real journey begins. Now that we have formalized the relationship, the journey starts now. These are programs that appears to work well elsewhere, both in India and abroad. What we need is a realistic number of students, say about 20 students in each of these programs, to make this a good learning experience for our students. Because if you do not have enough students, there isn't enough engagement in the classroom, and therefore the learning experience suffers. So we at GD Goenka University are developing a much more engaging learning experience for our students with the adoption of teaching learning practices such as hybrid and flipped classroom approaches, and also introducing a range of student-driven learning practices such as peer-to-peer learning. Ideas that are coming into India quite rapidly from elsewhere in the world. Some great initiatives are coming out from our university that should give us significant early mover advantages in drawing greater numbers of quality students. And therefore, this engagement with Redbird Aviation is one significant step in that direction. On behalf of the senior management team, Mr. Nipun Goenka, the Managing Director, GD Goenka Group, and also the Pro-Chancellor of GD Goenka University, and Mr. Rohit Gujral, the Director of the GD Goenka Group, who takes an active interest in our strategic directions. I thank the Redbird Aviation Group for enthusiastically engaging with us in this new initiative. Thank you and very best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing this information with us. I would now like to request the Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Dr. Tabraiz Ahmed, to please share his views.
Thank you, Neha. It's a matter of great happiness that we are going to launch today two very important programs in collaboration with the Redbird Aviation Academy. That is a BBA Aviation Management with private pilot license and BSc Aviation Management with the commercial pilot license. So these are very important initiatives because we know that now this era is era of collaboration and sharing the kind of important areas, kind of the capacities. And then in the same direction, we have decided to go a lot of capacity building projects, MOUs, and trying to find out the very niche areas that is required for the country. So there is a concept called co-design, co-deliver, co-certify. Accordingly, we have tied up with the Redbird Aviation Academy to provide the level playing field for the pilots, because generally if you see that the DGCA is certifying the kind of required number of the training and capacity building about any pilots, but generally they're mostly from 12th pass, and they will do the pilot licensing, either commercial pilot licensing or the private pilot licensing, but sometimes they struggle to find out the relevant information and knowledge and competency to really drive the initiative. So with this kind of collaboration, with the kind of DGCA approved training as a pilots, they will be having chance to do, if they are going to join as a career option as a commercial pilot, they will be doing BSc aviation management with our university, and also they will get chance to do BBA aviation with anybody trying to do as a kind of the hobby or want to learn the private pilot licensing. This additional kind of learning will give them a lot of chance to develop their skill, their potential, because you as a pilot sometime also like to have the lot of managerial skill, lot of scientific skill that will definitely will help you to become a better pilots, and you will be having a better, one of the final pilots in the world that can drive the initiative. So I must thank the Abhilasha Singh. She was very active in during our deliberations to really design and this curriculum, because it was not very easy. We have gone several level of meetings to decide that how we are going to collaborate, and then what is the strengths and weaknesses, what are the areas we should collaborate, and how we can really provide a cutting edge, very niche area of this kind of collaboration. Because very great initiative, very new, very kind of, it is very rare that somebody, a pilot, will get another chance with side by side to do a course in the relevant area to become more competent and also have the more career options for him. So with my team, Dr. Usha Batra, Dr. Sunil Arora, they were great support in during the framing of the curriculum, and also trying to find out the one of the best curriculum that is well suited for any pilots. With these few words, I thank the Redbird Academy for joining hands with us. I thank our President Suku Bhaskaran. He was a great support during the entire process. I also thank my entire management of the university, our Managing Director, Mr. Nipun Goenka, the Director, Mr. Gujral, and also the entire higher management team, our Pro-Chancellor and Chancellor, for always great support for these kind of initiatives. Because in this is the great world, and also accordingly the new education policy is very open, that we have to always try to find out the academic partners and try to share our strong areas to provide the level playing field for niche areas and the areas where we have to see a lot of challenges. Because the way market is growing, we have to see a lot of growth in the aviation sector, and we have to see a lot of commercial pilot license, lot of commercial pilot, those are competent enough to drive not only in national level but at the international level, because India is growing very fast and we have to go and open a lot of sectors where a lot of requirements will be there. With these few words, I wish all the best, all the people who are trying to join this course, and wish my entire team will be always available for any kind of questions, any kind of these queries. You can go to our website, you can find a lot of details. You can also go to this Redbird Academy for any kind of details, and will be always a great help to you to provide you the full support and all the information. With these few words, I thank you all and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us on this. And now, to have an insight of the Bachelor in Sciences Aviation Management with commercial pilot license, I'd like to invite Associate Dean, School of Engineering and Sciences, Professor Dr. Usha Batra, to please say a few words.
Thank you, Neha. Good evening, everyone. The School of Engineering and Sciences at GD Goenka University is engaged in creation and dissemination of the knowledge in the field of engineering and basic and applied sciences through innovative teaching, learning practices, and cutting edge research. It provides exceptional employment prospects as a result of the commitment to the academic excellence, focus on teaching, research, and holistic education. Moreover, it has a wide variety of international education programs that are designed to provide rich global exposure. I consider it a great privilege to lead this institution where curiosity, compassion, and intellect combine to produce leaders in various disciplines. The aviation industry is continually growing, and so is the need for competent aviation professionals with technical expertise. From a long-term historical perspective, air transport has doubled in size every 15 years and experienced greater growth than most other industries. A Bachelor of Aviation is an excellent first step toward a successful career in the challenging and exciting industry. The Bachelor of Science in Aviation Management with commercial pilot license by School of Engineering and Sciences at GD Goenka University in association with Redbird is a 3 years program which confers not only the degree but also the knowledge to climb up the ladder in higher management in aviation industry. Commercial pilot license, or CPL in short, is a type of pilot license that permits the holder to act as a pilot of a commercial aircraft. Acquiring a commercial pilot license is the first step towards your career to become a first officer in any airline. It is the wings that you need to give flight to your aviation career. The program is a perfect launchpad for those who want to fly high. It is a program designed for young aspirants eyeing for a seat in the cockpit of an aircraft. With myriads of new job opportunities coming up in the sector, the aviation and tourism industry is soon going to reach new heights. It is a booming industry that is expected to grow tremendously in the years to come, offering abundant employment opportunities. The aspiring candidate needs to be minimum of 18 years of age with minimum 50% marks in 10+2 with physics and mathematics as essential subjects to become eligible for the program. Apart from this, you need to have a class 1 medical certificate. The curriculum of 3 years BSc in aviation management with commercial pilot license involves aviation subjects, aviation management subjects, and flight training of 200 hours. So with this, I thank you, Professor Tabriz, Professor Suku Bhaskaran, for having confidence in me to be part of this important project. And I wish everyone very good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now I'd like to invite Assistant Dean, School of Management, Dr. Sunil Arora, to enlighten us on BBA in Aviation Management with Private Pilot License Program. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Neha. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm delighted with the opportunity to speak to this fantastic audience on this occasion. The launch of any new program is an exciting phase for us at GD Goenka University. This new program of BBA in Aviation Management is especially so because of the partnership between GD Goenka University and Redbird Aviation. Our university has always been at the forefront of innovation in education, providing knowledge and skills from foundation to flight, as our tagline says. With the BBA program innovation in partnership with Redbird Aviation, we will be enabling hundreds and eventually thousands of students to literally take their first flight. We appreciate the value that Redbird Aviation brings to the program. The Academy is known to provide world-class facilities to channelize and craft career for students of aviation, led by their experienced and professional flight instructors. Students of the program will be facilitated in becoming the private pilots. To add even greater value to the BBA program, our partner shall provide them with access to its own flight training school with single and multiple engine aircrafts. In fact, I'm told that our partner has recently completed training for its first batch of drone pilots. Now, that's is the real innovation. Speaking of innovation, many of you may be aware that SOM, that is School of Management at GT Goenka University, has been at one of the best business school in India in multiple surveys. We are especially known for our excellent brand image, world-class infrastructure, innovative teaching and learning methods, experienced faculty members. Along with flying skills, what the aviation industry job aspirants need today is the art of science, um, art and science of management. That's where School of Management, GD Goenka University can make a difference to the career through the BBA program in aviation management. The effect of COVID-19 on aviation industry has recovered somewhat and reaching to the original levels in the pre-pandemic times. By that time, the first batch of our MBA program in aviation management graduates, the short-term impacts on employment in this sector would have been ceased. The long-term impact include the need for cross-skilling and management skills would ensure upward mobility in students' career, better job opportunities, job securities, and also allow students to go into rated sector which are in the growth path. With this aim and hope, I'm happy to announce in partnership with Redbird Aviation the official commencement of the program BBA in Aviation Management at School of Management, GD Goenka University. Thank you so much. Over to you, Neha.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing this fruitful information with us. And now I'd like to invite Captain Abhilasha Singh from Redbird to apprise us about aviation and all the programs that are rolled out.
Thank you, Neha. I would begin with thanks to Dr. Sukku Bhaskaran. It was because of his understanding and efforts and recognition to the importance of this program and the collaboration because of which it kicked off. Dr. Tabrez Ahmed, Dr. Usha Batra, and Dr. Sunil Arora, we all have been working closely and brainstorming, thrashing all the course modules, how to fit in the credits, the choosing of the modules. It's been a lot of hard work, all in together, the team of GD Goenka and Redbird alike. And it hasn't been a day's work. It has taken weeks of time to put in this effort. I'll begin with sharing a small PPT, which will also help you understand what Redbird Aviation is all about. This is the Redbird Aviation Flying Academy, which is situated at Baramati. Here you learn how to fly. All the aspirant pilots, aspiring businessmen, you can now have a degree in aviation management with a commercial pilot qualification, and we will prepare you for the boardrooms as well as cockpits, all in at same ease. And you can now combine your love for flying with an aptitude for business as well. Now, if you want to become a successful leader, manager in aviation business, or separately open your own airline and manage your own business, this course is something which will give you a very wide horizon and exposure to a lot of things. A little bit about Redbird Aviation. So we believe in converting the aviation enthusiasts into airline pilots. So we are the first ones along with the first university, GD Goenka University, to offer BSc Aviation Management and BBA Aviation. Dr. Usha Batra and Dr. Sunil and Dr. Tabrez have spoken in detail about this, so I will not talk more on it. But you should know that Redbird Aviation is the only academy which offers excellent flying training in the shortest span, and you learn to man the aircraft all by yourself. All flights are actually solo flights. There is no one in the cockpit. You are the solo flyer who is going to man the cockpit and fly the aircraft all by yourself. And of course, Redbird Aviation has been the first academy to train India's first certified RPS and drone pilots. We are, it's not only CPL. CPL stands for Commercial Pilot License. PPL stands for Private Pilot License. We are just not the academy which churns out pilots. We have many solutions, many aviation solutions to provide, which include ground classes for all CPL and ATPL subjects. We have simulator training as well. Once you pass out, you have your CPL, you are graduating, you are going for an entrance into an airline. We provide you jet orientation training as well. You have multi-engine flying, conversion flying. We have courses for the flight instructors who are trained instructors who teach you how to fly. We have courses available for them as well. So it's just not one pilot training institute. It offers many more courses as well for your benefit. This is the fleet of our aircraft, which is, we comprise of 6 Tecnam single engine. Tecnam is the name of the aircraft. We have one multi-engine, one Cessna 172. By mid of this year, we are projecting to have 2 more aircrafts, and which will have one more multi-engine in the pipeline. Now we have another level 5 certified by DGCA simulator. And the most noted fact about this fleet is we have the youngest fleet of the most modern aircrafts equipped with the glass cockpit Garmin G3X cockpit. So when you talk about the cockpits are actually alike what you will fly in Boeing and Airbus. So it prepares you for the future airline flying and aviation as well. We have spoken about the courses, the content of the courses, but do you know as to how will you gain in further, in future? What are the aspects which you can actually explore? So as a flying training academy, having just and only CPL only requires 10+2. But in collaboration with GD Goenka University, once you have the aviation management degree, you will have many more avenues opening up. So after you have done your CPL, you can get a job of a pilot in airlines, charter companies. Now, charter companies, I must add here that even during the COVID time, the medical charters have been the busiest, and they have flown, the pilots have flown a lot. They have been the busiest. So if you talk about, if you are really scared about the COVID situation and the market scenario or post the COVID, it is now very well recognized that the aviation industry will actually require an increased number of new pilots to operate the expanding global air fleet to match what it was before COVID. So the market scenario is already on the way up. It is on the positive side, and it is only a good thing for the aviation and the management people to do to get your degree and your license. You can also get a job of a pilot in cargo and courier companies. You can be a military pilot. Even if you join military, you can do your number of years service there and rejoin the civil aviation as a much more highly experienced pilot. Then you also have the flight training organizations where you get, you train other trainees and you become an instructor. So these are the limited jobs which you get after your pilot license. However, if you do your BSc Aviation Management or your BBA, then you have several avenues which open up and you can get a job of an airline manager, airport operations, cargo manager, fleet management. There are n number of aspects which actually are available to you now. So even if the market scenario is not good in aviation world, you will be expanding your experience based on your degree, based on your experience and knowledge. And not only this, once you are a pilot and you have this degree, you have a greater scope within the company. You can climb up the career ladder in the higher management. So it's just not limited to getting a subsidiary job. It's also beneficial once you are in the airline and as a pilot. There's nothing best to a pilot, an airline pilot who knows the company, who knows the business, and he understands the basics of the business, the dynamics, and he can help the company grow. Those are the most wanted gentry of pilots who will be required in future. So this is the best degree, best opportunity which you are being offered, and I think everyone should avail it. A small pictorial view of our students. So the first picture is of the aircraft cockpit, which I had spoken about, which has a Garmin G3X technology and is a glass cockpit. The second picture on the right is one of our students and our instructor. They're flying the drone. This is from our first batch of the certified drone pilots. The third picture on the left is our girl students. Incidentally, we have the highest female to male trainee pilot ratio, and we encourage the women, young women, to come on board and make a career in aerospace and aviation. We help them, we encourage them, and bring out the best in them. It's the aviation industry is not gender specific. Everyone can become a pilot. The last picture on the right is our first batch of trainee pilots, cadet pilots. And this is all from me. Thank you. And I would also want to add that you are going to broaden an understanding of the aviation industry. You will get an insight on the aviation finance and marketing. Not only your skills of teamwork, problem solving, and communication skills will be enhanced, but also you will get a very good competitive technical skill of a pilot along with a degree, which is going to be a aviation management degree. That is all from me, Neha. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us an insight of the aviation industry and how it connects people, cultures, and businesses all across the continents. Thank you so much. We'll now begin with the Q&A session. And still, if anyone in the audience has any question, you can post in the comment section. And we have a question from a student who's asking that, will there be any specialization for BBA students, or is this all a new course for 3 years?
We are offering BBA in aviation management. This is the launch of BBA in aviation management. Previously, we used to offer BBA with aviation as specialization in the third year. So it's going to be a separate program, BBA in aviation management.
All right.
I hope I have answered the question.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Well, that was the question that we had from the audience. Any views our panelists would like to share?
Suppose even those students who are doing BBA with us and they want to specialize and also become pilots, because since we have a collaboration with the Redbird, they may also join the pilotship course as a private pilot license. And also those students who are our current student of BSc, if they want to join the Redbird company as a commercial pilot license, they can join, and they will be getting kind of additional benefits, special benefits, because the Redbird is our academic partner. And also those students who are already doing the course of the pilotship with the Redbird, they will be also having chance to join our course. So anybody has finished the course of the commercial pilot license with Redbird, they can join our university and they can do BSc in 1.5 years. They will be finishing 3 semesters in the campus. Or anybody who is doing the private pilot licensing with the Redbird, they can join our BBA course with they'll be staying 2 years in the campus. They'll be finished 4 semesters. So we have various options for the student who are doing BBA or BSc, or those students who are already doing a pilot licensing, whether commercial or private, they can join the BBA or BSc courses. So these multiple options are there for the student. They can switch over from academics to aviation or the pilot, or from pilotship to have additional degree to raise their career options, to become more versatile, to become more competent enough to become the managers or the market leaders.
Thank you so
Abhilasha,
much,
want
sir.
to add some points?
Dr. Ahmed, this was very well said that all students who are already doing their aviation management or BBA, they can join in the CPL program or the PPL program, and vice versa. So it's open either ways. It's a semester wise and a credit based program. So BBA aviation would take 24 months, yes, and BSc aviation management would take 18 months and 18 months. So total of 3 years of investment is what is required, which is a normal graduation requirement, and the credits have to be fulfilled, and you have to clear the exams. The the aviation subjects, the regular aviation subjects for CPL and PPL, you have to study and clear, and the hours of flying requirement as per the DGCA, followed by the aviation management curriculum. So it's all created in a way that it is beneficial and useful in the aviation scenario, and is going to help you in your further career. Thank you, Dr. Tabriz.
Thank you, Captain Abhilasha. And I think all of the panelists have answered most of the queries that could have been in minds of many of you. And as they say, your wings already exist and all you need to do is just fly. And GD Goenka University, in collaboration with Redbird Aviation, is actually giving you a launch pad to fly high. And as our ambition at GD Goenka University is from foundation to flight, I think all these programs will give you the exact platform wherein you can perform well and achieve your dreams, if ever your dream is in aviation industry, right? So thank you so much to our panelists, Dr. Sukku Bhaskaran, Dr. Tabriz Ahmed, Dr. Rusha, Dr. Sunil, and Captain Abhilasha for being here with us and enlightening us about the new courses. Thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. And we are always available. If you have any kind of doubts, please feel free to approach us.
Thank you so much.